One of a handful of women ever to become the governor of a southern state. News Channel 36 reporter Michelle Bowden actually talked to the governor-elect one-on-one this morning and takes an in-depth look at what she says she'll do for Charlotte.
Bev Perdue getting ready to move into the governor's mansion in part because she won Mecklenburg County, a key win, a narrow margin, but she won Pat McCrory's home turf. But she says she had to win Charlotte to win this race, and because of that, she says she's prepared to bridge the gap between Raleigh and Charlotte.
I was so excited. I was upstairs. I had on jeans and a t-shirt.
That, Bev Perdue says, was the moment she knew.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
The lieutenant governor, now governor-elect.
I'm honored that you have chosen me as your next governor.
And with that vote,
I'm very proud tonight to live in a state that has just chosen your first woman governor.
She says more than just about making history, her election is about making change, rebuilding trust in government, and shoring up the distance between the capital city and the Queen City. We asked her about state road projects that are often underfunded and delayed in Charlotte. Will that change with you in office?
Well, I hope it changes. I can't make any promises because we all know we're looking at a very large budget shortfall as the new year begins, and that will be my priority. But yeah, I want to be sure that folks in Charlotte understand that I'm the governor of the whole state of North Carolina, and that state doesn't stop when you get to the Mecklenburg County line. And she says winning Charlotte's vote surprised even her a little, but then last night was all about surprises. I grew up hard believing that with hard work and a good education, anything was possible. And America, North Carolina last night stood up proudly and said, yeah. And Bev Perdue already hard at work at being the governor-elect. She and her staff spent today in a planning session getting ready to be the governor-elect. She tells me that she's already planning her Charlotte office. She plans to be there at least 3 times a month, and she's headed to Charlotte tomorrow for a Chamber of Commerce event. Reporting now with our mobile newsroom in Raleigh, Michelle Bowden, News Channel 36.